Welcome everybody. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can tell whether a given number is a multiple of 11 or not. So now we can look at our first example, 18,701. And in this case the way to do it is that you have to look at the digits that are positioned in the odd positions here. So in this case it's like the first position 1 and the third position is 7 and the last digit is 1. I'm just taking care of all these three numbers now, and now you try to add the numbers together, which is the same as 1 plus 7 plus 1, which is 9. And then the second step is that you have to try to add the numbers in an even position. In this case it is 8 and 0. So now you try to add 8 and 0 together, you get 8. So the fact is that you have to compare the two numbers 9 and 8 here. If the difference of these two numbers is a multiple of 11, then the given number is also a multiple of 11. And in our case here, the difference is 1. The difference 9 minus 8 is 1, which is not a multiple of 11. It basically means that this given number 18,701 is not a multiple of 11 also. So now we can go to the next example. The second example is 27,896, and just follow the same way I did for the first example here. And now you have to add the numbers in the odd positions. 2 plus 8 plus 6, which is 16. And for the even position, we have two numbers, which is 7 and 9. You add them together is 16. Now you try to compare these two numbers. The difference of them obviously must be 0 because they are the same number. And 0 obviously is the multiple of 11 because 0 times 11 is exactly 0. And now it means that the given number 27,896 is also a multiple of 11. So that's the end of this example. You can try to see a little bit more examples here as follows. You're given the number 9,196. So now you follow the same trick here. You add the two numbers in the odd position, which is 7. And then you add the two numbers in the even position, which is 9 plus 9, which is 18. Now you try to compare them. The difference 18 minus 7 is 11, and 11 is obviously a multiple of 11 because it's 1 times 11. So which basically means that the given number 9,196 must be a multiple of 11 here. So as a conclusion, this method can tell you whether the given number is a multiple of 11 or not, just by summing up the numbers positioned in an odd position and the numbers positioned in an even position. You compare these two sums. The difference must be the multiple of 11 if the given number is a multiple of 11 also. So that's basically the end of this lecture. I hope everybody enjoyed this lecture, and see you next time.